So in this lesson, we will talk about the basic strokes of Chinese characters. The stroke is the basic unit to construct characters. For example, the characters 人 is made of 撇 and 捺, 时 is made of 横 and 竖. There are 6 basic strokes and more than 20 others are derived from these 6. So let us check the different strokes. Okay, look here. There are many strokes. When we begin to study our Chinese, we should know the basic strokes because our Chinese characters were made of the different strokes. So let us continue. Okay, this is the first one, 横. Okay, when we write it from the left to the right, 横. And this one, 树, 树. The first word is 大, 大 means big. The second is 10, 10. Okay, next, 撇, 撇. You see? The 8. When we write 8, we should write 撇 and 捺. The first is 点, 点. 横折, 横折, 横折. We can write 横折 with 口. We can write 口 with 横折. 口 is a natural word. We can say 一口井 as well. Okay, 捺, 人, 人, person, 提, 提, from the bottom to the up. 地, land. 横折钩, 月, moon. 竖钩, 小, small, from the up to the bottom. 小, 竖钩. Okay, next, 横撇, 水, water, 水. 横钩, 横钩, 你, you. 竖弯钩, 圆, 圆. When we want to say RMB, we can say 1元, 2元. 撇折, 去, go. 竖钩, 竖提, 量, 竖提. 竖折, 山, 竖折, 山, mountain. 撇点, 女, 女, 女 women. 竖折, 折,钩. 弟, brother. 撇, 斜钩, 斜钩, 我, me, I. 横撇, 弯钩. This we can write it as a radical. We called it 耳东旁, 那, 那, that. 横折提, 课, class. 弯钩, 了, 弯钩, 了. 横折弯钩, 9, 9. 竖弯, 4. 横折弯, 横折弯, 没, nothing. 横折折钩. This one, 人, we can say 人就, 人就. Also, 也. 横斜钩, 横斜钩, 黄. 横折折撇, 急, 急. 竖折撇, 专, 专心. 你做什么事情都非常专心. You do everything carefully, okay? Carefully. This one, 竖折折顶. The characters is very complicated, so we don't need to remember it. 横折折凹凹。好，最后一个 the last one， 横折折折 two and 凹 they are opposite. They are opposite. All and two, they are opposite. Okay. So when we write all the strokes, we will know that when we write our Chinese characters, we should pay attention about our basic orders of the strokes. The order that rules the writing of a character is called the order of strokes, sometimes abbreviated into 笔顺. It not only facilitates the writing if you use the reasonable orders, but adds to elegance of the character. So let us review the 笔顺, the order of the strokes. Okay, do you remember just now when we write 10, 10, okay, this one. We write the 横, okay, 横 precedes 竖, okay, 横, the first. The second is 竖, okay, so 横 precedes 竖. And how about this one? 人, look here, 人, we will write 撇, okay, 撇. This one, 撇 and 捺. So 撇 precedes 捺. 实 横 precedes 竖. And next, sometimes when we write some characters, we will write it from top to the bottom. Top to the bottom. Okay, for example, this one. 圆, when we write it, first the top and bottom, okay, 圆, okay, next, and sometimes when we write some Chinese characters, for example, 人, we will write the left and write the right, so from the left to the right. 撇竖 and 撇横折折弯钩 from the left to the right. So we can know that the character's structure is divided from the left to the right. Okay, next. When we write 小, we will write it from the middle precedes two sides, middle and two sides. Look here, right? So remember, and for example, 山, they are same. The strokes 笔顺, the order of the strokes is the same. 山树, 树折树. Okay, next. When we write 月 from the outside to the inside, how can we understand that? For example, this one, moon. Outside and inside. Yes. And next, for example, when we write some characters, we will write it from the inside precede. The inside will precede the ceiling strokes. For example, 日 means sun. 日 means sun. So look here. 日, the inside precedes the ceiling strokes. And next, 四 means 4. When we write 4, we will write it from outside to inside. Okay, so today our class is over.